Well, everybody, I just received my CKX Titan helmet in. I just want to kind of open it up and give you a quick review. I know there's hundreds of these videos out there on YouTube, but this one's mine. So we're gonna open it up and see what I got. Ordered this. I'm down in the States, down in North Carolina. So I ordered this on the 22nd. And today is the 29th, and I just received it today, so not too bad coming from Canada. So see what we got here. Again, just saying that it's trail ready to go right out of the box. Pretty lightweight though, compared to some of the helmets that I've had in the past. Packaged up real nice. Comes with a nice case for it. Let's see. This is the Titan sidehill, so it's all set up for winter riding. But you know, obviously being down here in North Carolina, it doesn't get as cold as it does up in Canada or some of the northern states, but I figured I'd get the winter one, and I can downgrade the insulation in it, or the padding and all that to accommodate for more mild climates and all that. So I'd rather have too much and not need it than to need it and not have it. So anyway, so yeah, comes in, matches the bike pretty good. I was hoping it's gonna be a little bit closer to this green here, but or yellow, whatever you want to call it. But looks good. It's lightweight. I like the features of the helmet that you know, the goggles can just pop right off. Down on the top here, get out of your way. The front comes down, it gives you access to talking, drinking, or you know, getting a little bit more airflow if you need to. But yeah, it has all the insulation inside. You can change out the front mass part to get, you know, a little bit less padding, less insulation, if you will. Here you can just pull this off. All this comes off. It's got the nice system here to hook it up, pull the tab, pulls it right out, real nice. Again, I like it. Nice colors. Like the matte finish on it. Again, lightweight, and like I said, all this extra padding for winter riding is all removable. So if you need more ventilation, you just pull this stuff out. So it's, you know, real modular in that way. Also inside, got another set of goggles for it. This is a more ventilated goggle for you know, more backcountry type of riding. And let's see. Well, these are the smaller nose guard for it. Some extra hardware and a smaller chin guard, so there's not as much insulation there. So if you want more airflow, use these. So yeah, happy with it so far. Obviously haven't had a chance to put it on yet, but I'm going to put it on and give it a ride here pretty soon. The weather here in North Carolina today is 75 degrees. December 29th, which is not bad for you know, wintertime, you know, a couple days after Christmas. So, but yeah, so I'm gonna get ready to take take the old XMR 1000 out. Put the helmet on, give it a shot. Like I said, this thing is brand spanking new. Just got it just before Christmas, so still learning it, still playing with it, still breaking it in. But overall, I'm happy with it. It's got a lot of power. So got the tiger tail for it. So I'm pretty happy with that. I'm going to be working with that a little bit to, I'm going to switch it around so it tucks up higher here in the back, so it's kind of out of the way. I already pulled off the license plate bracket. So I just got to mess with it and flip it around. But so far, I like it. So anyway, if you like this video, you thought it was helpful, you know, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and you know, if you have any comments down below, you know, make sure you put them in there. So otherwise, we'll see you next time.